In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger call problem. This app version is deprecated. Please update your app problem on Messenger for fixing this problem. Go to your Play Store. Now search Messenger. Now tap on Messenger. Now up to date your Messenger to latest version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger. Tap on force stop. OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear cache only. Now open Messenger app. Now call someone. Now I hope that this method fix. This app version is deprecated. Please update your app problem on Messenger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.